Hello, my name is Zerry Hogan. I'm from the beautiful city of Orlando, Florida. I decided to attend Drone Command Live. I have been kicking the can down the road for a few years, actually, been flying drones for a while, recreational. And so I was going to attend last year, and I just decided to stop procrastinating this year and just go ahead and just take the plunge. I'm a former Lockheed Martin engineer. I've done weapon systems pilot training. I am retired U.S. Air Force. And a lot of things that I've done, I've had a love for flying, just never had the confidence enough to really take action. And when I first got my first Roku drone, in which both of them flew away, I became kind of hooked on it. And then when I got my first DJI drone, I found out what it means to drive a car versus a bicycle, a really nice car. So I decided that in the industries that I've been in, I've worked as an autonomous vehicle manager. I've done stuff with aeronautical stuff. I've been a simulation instructor. So it kind of fits my skill sets and also my passion. I was inspired by a story that was played during one of the days of a gentleman that went through life, divorce, and a lot of different things. I too have been through life. And so I'm trying to just loop back and do the things that I've always wanted to do. I knew I was probably meant to do. And so I'm taking that step now. And I would just say to anyone that's deciding to go on whether you should attend or not, take the plunge. Just do it. Just do it. My biggest takeaway is, well, just do it. Platitudes, I must have been platitude king. Um, you have to get the right tools for the job. Being ex-military, yeah, in the Air Force, we say, um, what's the phrase in the Air Force is always pay attention to detail. So I'm paying attention to the details of my life now.